How to set up a full marketing journey towards your customers with Microsoft Dynamics 365 using customer insights. We will go over the 5 phases in detail and show how Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer insights and its tools are working side by side to create the perfect user experience. Step 1. Assemble your assets. Go to the app. Go to Library and start adding all your marketing collateral such as images, documents, videos, and fonts. Step 2. Define your segment or target group. Go to the app. Go to Segments. Hit New and start creating a new segment manually, or use Copilot. In this example, we used Copilot to show me all contacts that attended last year's trade show. As a result, you will see all the people that attended the last trade fair, and you have also the members and insights where you can see more detailed statistics, such as the people that are included in the segment. Step 3. Gather all communication that you want to use in your journey. The different channels are emails, forms, push notifications, and text messages. The example that you see here is an email where we can use the builder to edit, add, or remove different elements and layout sections to make this email look good. Step 4. Create the journey. Go to the app and then go to Journeys. Hit New and start creating a new journey like the one you see here. This is a journey where we start with all the attendees from last year and email them. In the email, we have a button to register to the trade show. If they register, they will get an auto response and reminder. If later on they attend the event, we send them a thank you message. Those who didn't attend, we send a we missed you email. Step 5. Check your generated leads. Go to the app. Go to Leads. Check if your journey created leads. In this example, you'll see that we have one lead coming from the journey we just made regarding the trade show. And that's it for creating a full customer journey from zero to hero with Microsoft Dynamics 365.